Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Web Portal United States. Today job update came from Applied Materials Company. They are recruiting for the post of manufacturing technician in Austin, Texas of United States. Watch this video till end. I will tell you the entire job information and what are the job responsibility and how you can apply for this job. If you are watching this channel first time, then subscribe to this channel to get the upcoming job information immediately. If you want upcoming job information ASAP, then type jobwebportal.com on Google to get upcoming job information. Let's get started. If we talk about job responsibility, you will have to utilizes work orders, schematics, wiring diagrams, engineering specifications, sub-assemblies and components. You will have to performs a wide variety of electromechanical assembly operations, troubleshooting and repair. You will have to observes all safety standards. You will have to utilizes test fixtures, electronic measurement equipment, leak detectors. You will have to checks own work for conformance to specifications, inspects parts for defects, strong troubleshooting capability and process improvement. You will have to recognized as a resource for a particular product or platform. You will have to works closely with engineering on development of procedures and new product integration into the manufacturing line. You will have to provides training and support to lower level department. If we talk about the qualification and experience, you need to have an associate's degree. You need to have a developed advanced specialized expertise within an analytical scientific area. To perform the most complex work, you need to have a good understanding of how related teams coordinate their efforts and resources to achieve objectives. You need to have a 7 years of experience. Required link is in description. You can apply directly if you want. If you have any doubt, then you can comment below. I will meet you in the next video with the next job update.